Health benefits of eating cheese. 1. Cheese can have a positive effect on your dental health. It can keep your teeth strong and prevent expensive dental work that results from decay. 2. It is the best dietary source for calcium. Cheese is the best way, without supplementation, to receive your recommended daily intake of calcium. 3. Cheese can reverse hypertension by lowering blood pressure. Pairing low-sodium cheeses with potassium-rich foods can lower your blood pressure and reverse hypertension.